a wire comparison. Alright, what I got here is some pretty quality. It's OFC. It is. DB Link, soft touch, 0 gauge. Alright, then I also have some Soundstream 2/0, which is pretty big. 2/0 versus 1/0 DB Link. Alright, so 2/0 is supposed to be bigger, right? Right, that's right. Just says it right here. 2 gauge. So it's not 0, so not sure on that. Anyway, it's not as big as the anyway. And then check this out. This is amazing. This is what blows me away. See the difference there? Take a guess. That's right, baby. Alright, well, we out of here. Have a good day, guys. Peace. I don't need to say anything, do I? Sky High for the win. Thanks again, Lucas, Cody Paddle, and John Robbie. Sky High. You guys have a most awesome day. My day is going to be killer. Peace.